In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Classwork page in Google Classroom. Let's get started by opening Google Classroom and signing in with your teacher account. From your homepage, choose the class you want to organize. This takes you to the class stream, but for structure and navigation, the real magic happens on the Classwork tab, so click Classwork at the top. To build a clean structure, we'll create topics. These act like folders that group related posts, assignments, and resources. Click the Create button, then choose Topic. Type a clear, concise name for your new topic, something like Week 1, Algebra, Linear Equations, or Resources. Keep names short but specific so students instantly know where to go. When you're happy with the name, click Add Topic. You can create as many topics as you need to mirror your unit outlines, weeks, or resource types. Now let's place existing items into the right topic. Find an item on your Classwork page that you want to organize. Click the three dots, also known as More Options, next to that item and choose Edit. This opens the editor so you can fine-tune details without recreating anything from scratch. Inside the editor, look for the topic field, click it, and select the topic you just created. This instantly groups the item under that heading on your Classwork page, helping students find it in context. If you're sharing handouts, slides, or reference links rather than work to be turned in, choose Materials as the post type so it's clearly labeled as a resource. This small distinction reduces confusion for students and keeps your grading queue clean. When your changes are set, click Save. You'll see the item move under the chosen topic on the Classwork page. Repeat this process for other posts to bring everything into your new structure. A few quick tips as you build out your topics. Use consistent naming conventions across your class to help students anticipate where things live. Create a dedicated resources topic for evergreen materials like syllabi, rubrics, and tech guides, and use separate topics for each unit or week to keep the timeline clear. When you add new posts, select the appropriate topic right away to avoid cleanup later. That's it. You opened your class, navigated to Classwork, created a topic, and used the edit tools to assign items to that topic, marking resources as materials and saving your changes. With a thoughtful set of topics and clear labels, your Classwork page becomes simple to browse, quicker to maintain, and much easier for students to follow.